awesome. So I know we might still have a few folks rolling on in, but we're gonna get started, kicking off Virtual Family and Friends Sunday with a story read by our public programs intern, Carrie Young. So she has been with us for about a month, and she is a fantastic storyteller, and she is going to read the book today, May Among the Stars. This is being recorded and will be available on our YouTube channel and our Ackland.org webpage for future viewing. All right, take it away, Carrie.
So this is May Among the Stars, this beautiful galaxy cover, and it is written by Radha Ahmed and illustrated by Stasia Burrington. And one really cool thing about this book before I begin reading it is that it's based on the story of Dr. Mae Jemison, who is actually the first African-American astronaut as well as the first African-American person in space. So she is an amazing person. And I believe she was on Star Trek at one point or another. Little May was a dreamer. They say that dreamers never succeed, but little May was different. There she is with her pet cat and some books and a backpack. One day, May was working on an assignment for school about what she wanted to be when she grew up. What will you tell them, May? I will tell them I want to see Earth. There's May at her table working on her homework, and there she is with her parents. And there's her little cat, if you can see that. This is Earth, May, her mother said. The flowers, the grass, the forest, and the mountains. We live on Earth. I know, but I want to see Earth from out there. That's an amazing plan, little May. Then you have to become an astronaut. That way you can see Earth from space. An astronaut? Do you think I could do that? Of course you can. If you can dream it, if you believe it, and work hard for it, anything is possible, said May's mother. And there they are. May asked her mom to take her to the library. She searched for books about space and astronauts. And here's her mother and May at the library. After dinner, May drew pictures of space, and she even made her own astronaut costume out of old orange curtains and cardboard boxes. Ooh, I want to make a spaceship like that. Be a cool quarantine project to make a spaceship out of cardboard, or to draw if you look at all her drawings on the wall. Those are pretty cool. Later, she asked her dad, but how do I become an astronaut? It seems impossible. You will find your way, May, because if you dream it, believe in it, and work hard for it, anything is possible. But space is so, so far away. It's closer than you think, little May, and you may get there sooner than you think. That night, May had a happy dream. She was dancing in space, surrounded by billions of sparkling stars. Below her, she could see Earth floating and turning like a shining crystal ball. This is one of my favorite illustrations. There's May asleep in her bed, and there's her dream. The next morning, May told her parents about her dream. She wanted to tell everyone, and every time she talked about it, her eyes would light up. There she is, maybe telling her grandmother, and then maybe someone at the supermarket, it looks like, and then her cat. In the classroom, Miss Bell told everyone to stand in a line on the rug. Today, we are all going to share our dreams about the future. What do you want to be, and what do you want to do when you grow up? Who wants to go first? And one kid says, I want to be a firefighter. And the next one says, I want to be a teacher, and a football player, and a mom. And I want to go to space. I want to be an astronaut, says little May. All the kids started laughing. Miss Bell asked, May, are you sure you don't want to be a nurse? Nursing would be a good profession for someone like you. That's not very nice of her. I don't want to be a nurse. I want to be an astronaut, said little May. May felt very disappointed. On her way home from school, May was quiet. She looked out the car window. Her world turned blue and cold. Nothing was the way it used to be. There she is in her car. At home, May started crying. Miss Bell said I can't become an astronaut. What a silly thing to say, said her mother. She told me I should be a nurse instead, said May. Her mom wiped away her tears. My dear May, I hope you didn't believe her. Of course I believed her. She's my teacher. I'm sorry Miss Bell didn't encourage you, but she can't stop you. No one can stop you. Follow your dreams, May, and go to space. There's her mother. Thank you, Mom. I promise when I get to space, I will wave to you and Dad from the spaceship. Her mom took her hand and they started dancing. You must always repeat yourself. If I can dream it, if I can believe in it, and if I work hard for it, anything is possible. Look, they're dancing, and oh, there's the cat dancing with them. May went on dreaming, believing, and working really hard. And guess what? She went to space and waved to her mom and dad on Earth. And there she is, all grown up and going to space. And here's a little write-up about May. Dr. May Jemison. May Carol Jemison was born on October 17, 1956, in Decatur, Alabama. May always loved science. She loved being outside and looking up at the stars, knowing that one day she would travel to space. May is highly educated. She graduated from Morgan Park High School in 1973, and at the incredible age of 16, she enrolled at Stanford University. Wow, that is really young. Earning a Bachelor of Science degree in Chemical Engineering in 1977. After May got her MD in 1981 from Cornell Medical College, she briefly worked as a general practitioner before leaving to work with the Peace Corps as a medical officer in Liberia and Sierra Leone. When she returned home, May decided to follow her childhood dream of going to space, and she accomplished many firsts. She applied to NASA's astronaut training program, and on June 4th, 1987, was accepted. She became the first African-American female astronaut. On September 12th, 1992, May's dream finally came true when she traveled to space on the shuttle Endeavour, mission STS-47. It was then that May officially became the first African-American woman in space. May left NASA in 1993 and became the first real astronaut to act in an episode of Star Trek: The Next Generation. Today, she heads the Jemison Group and the Dorothy Jemison Foundation for Excellence. May speaks fluent Russian, Japanese, and Swahili. And that's May Among the Stars. Thank you for listening.
That was such a cute book. Wow, I cannot believe that she's trilingual, went to Stanford at 16. What an amazing, amazing woman. And astronauts, like, yes, Now, that's the best Father's Day present I bet she could have given her dad. Achieving her dreams and waving high from space. So thanks for that, Carrie. This is our last portion of a virtual festival we've been having all weekend called Intergalactic Solstice, inspired by an artist collective who did the piece of artwork behind me called Project LHAXX. So on our website, ackland.org, there's some art making videos that Carrie put together for us. There's reading resources for other books that talk about astronauts, space, Afrofuturism for all ages, ranging from kids to adults. So I encourage you guys to check those out with your family. You'll also see links to some of the other events that have occurred this weekend, like a musical, jazz, punk, funk, by Quentin Talley and the Soul Providers. That's on YouTube. They are a fabulous group out of Charlotte and Durham. So feel free to check those out. And thank you for joining us for Storytime. Have a great day, everybody.